So here I am on the Banggood website, which is where I bought these green edition 0703 outrunners for the 20mm fans. Now this is what I've installed into the Huckebein one, a 15,000 one. Now the coding here is BR brushless 07, that's the width of the can, and 03 is the depth of the stator, and the B is supposed to be for bearing. Right, so that you think, oh okay, I'm excited. So when you scroll down and you look at the overview, here's the statement here, the description, and then you come to the features, long life Japanese NMB ball bearings. Well, that sounds exciting, doesn't it? I'll pay the extra dollars for that sucker, because as you see, these are $19 US, whereas if you bought, let's see, hang on, this one here, it's the same thing at 17,000 kV, but only $8. So I thought, okay, we're paying the extra money for the fantastic zippity doodah bearings. See, this one's only $12. What else we got here? Here's another one at $8. So you can see $9. So basically all these 0702, 0703s are around about $8 to $11. And if you want the good one, you've got to pay for it. Okay, so when we scroll down here, and this is the thing that caught my eye when I was confirming whether or not this sucker was brushless or not. Now see what they do here? They TIG weld this little, let's call it a bushing, onto the shaft. That ain't coming off. So what I've had to do is hammer the shaft out, going backwards. So fingers crossed I get it back on square. And let's have a look, compared to this photo, what I've got. Alright, and here we are with my little Racerstar Green Edition. Okay, so I hammered out the shaft, and there's that little tiny bushing or washer that is tacked on the can I had to hit it out of, and oh, the stator and stator mount. And guess what we've got here? A brass bushing. A brass bushing. And guess what? I can't bring it up because I've got the manual focus on. That goes all the way through. It's just a brass sleeve. No bearings. And that's how I like to say, harumph, harumph, harumph. Well, well, well. Now we know why that thing was so noisy. Darn. I might install some bearings. I think I have some still, 3x1s. Alright. Here's the update on that little sucker then, isn't it? Extra $10 for nothing.